If you've ever been told your test says bacterial vaginosis and you still don't understand what that means, this video is for you. Because bacterial vaginosis is one of the most misunderstood vaginal conditions. Once you understand it properly, your fear disappears. Guys, I'm Happiness. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk about real health topics that actually matter, especially for women. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about bacterial vaginosis. Bacterial vaginosis is not an infection you catch from water, toilet, or dirt. It happens when the natural balance inside the vagina changes. The vagina is not empty. It contains bacteria, mostly good ones. These good vaginal bacteria protect the vagina by 1. Keeping it acidic, 2. Preventing harmful bacteria from growing, 3. Protecting it naturally. When this good bacteria reduces, other bacteria grows too much, and then this overgrowth is what we call bacterial vaginosis. So bacterial vaginosis is not about being unclean, it's about vaginal imbalance. I'm going to talk on what bacterial vaginosis usually feels like. Most women notice 1. Unpleasant or fishy odor, 2. Thin, grey or white discharge, 3. Smell that gets worse after sex. Most women don't even feel anything and only find out after a test is conducted. Both situations are completely normal with bacterial vaginosis. Now, here's what most people don't tell you. Bacterial vaginosis can exist without pain, itching, irritation, or discomfort. That's why many women ignore it for a long time. But in a moment, I will explain why bacterial vaginosis should not be ignored. Even though bacterial vaginosis is common, leaving it untreated can cause problems. Bacterial vaginosis can 1. Increase the risk of other infections, 2. Cause discomfort and embarrassment, 3. Affect pregnancy in women, 4. Increase chances of recurrent vaginal problems. Bacterial vaginosis is very common because small things can disturb the vaginal environment, like semen changing the pH of the vagina, 2. Antibiotics, 3. Hormonal changes, and 4. Washing inside the vagina. Sometimes bacterial vaginosis happens without a clear reason, but that doesn't mean your body is failing. Having bacterial vaginosis does not mean you are dirty. Having bacterial vaginosis does not mean you are dirty or you did something wrong. It simply means that your vaginal balance was shifted, and that balance can be restored. Understanding bacterial vaginosis properly is the first step to treating and also managing it. When you know what it really is, you stop panicking and also make better decisions for your body. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and also share it to a friend or a sister, and subscribe to my channel for more powerful women's health tips. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.